As someone who does a lot of product sourcing, drop shipping, and e-commerce from China, now that Trump and US tariff and manufacturing war with China is exposing a lot of things about manufacturing, products quality, and top brands, you are being aware that a lot of products are still being manufactured in China, although Chinese manufacturers are now opening up factories in different countries. You have to consider the quality. First thing, when dealing with the Chinese manufacturer, you have to consider the quality before you discuss the product. Make sure that you do due diligence by inspecting the products, inspecting the factories. I do a lot of factory visits, exhibition visits, trade fair visits to inspect the quality and the products and to find future trending products. When I do so, that's when I pick manufacturers that I'm going to visit to inspect their factories, to know more about this product sourcing, e-commerce, and manufacturing from China. Subscribe and drop a comment below.